Huawei has been in Kenya for 27 years. We are not just Huawei in Kenya. We are so proud Huawei in Kenya for Kenya. In fact, Kenya is one of the first countries where Huawei started its global business. Huawei have grown together with Kenya. And also looking back from building communication networks and today business in enterprise, cloud, and digital power, we have always moved in step with Kenya development. Huawei looks forward to continuing work hand in hand with Kenya government, with our customers, and all our partners. Huawei Cloud forges collaborative to accelerate digitalization, efficiency, reliability, and accessibility for all. Today is a new period. So let's seize the moment to turn vision into action and together go for a smart and digital Kenya. Asante sana.